Every man is to be respected as an absolute end in himself. And it is a crime against the dignity that belongs to him as a human being, to use him as a mere means for some external purpose. Thrift is care and scruple in the spending of one's means. It is not a virtue, and it requires neither skill nor talent. Man must be disciplined, for he is by nature raw and wild. Two things fill the mind with ever new and increasing wonder and awe: the starry heavens above me, and the moral law within me. Beneficence is a duty, and he who frequently practices it, and sees his benevolent intentions realized, comes, at length, really to love him to whom he has done good. Teach self-denial and make its practice pleasure, and you can create for the world a destiny more sublime than ever issued from the brain of the wildest dreamer. So act that your principle of action might safely be made a law for the whole world. Life is the faculty of spontaneous activity, the awareness that we have powers. The possession of power inevitably spoils the free use of reason. An action is essentially good if the motive of the agent be good, regardless of the consequences. The busier we are, the more acutely we feel that we live. Act so that the maxim of your act could be made the principle of a universal law. Act in such a way that you always treat humanity, whether in your own person or in the person of any other, never simply as a means but always also as an end. Riches ennoble a man's circumstances, but not himself.